Let's continue with the tutorial of the CAMFive EMB machine. On this video we'll see how to use the control panel to start embroidery. Let's begin. Turn on your machine to configure the control panel. Introduce the USB in the port located on the right side of the screen. Wait the machine to tell when the USB is ready to use. Select the first window in the control panel, located in the upper left side of the screen, marked with the number 1. Select the USB icon so you can access and download the design. The files will show on the screen. Select your design to work and press the icon on the right side of the screen. On step number 2, you'll find the icons and the functions to move the design. Set the angle of the design if needed with the next icon. You can already have your design escalated from the Welcome software, but also you can do it on the machine the next way. The Rep Mode icon has the next options: General Rep and Part Rep. The Rep Order icon sets if the embroidery goes by columns or rows. On step number 3, we can set up the color sequence. Put a number to every color on your tabs. On step number 4, you can confirm the embroidery and start the tracing. Select the yellow icon with the magnifying glass to select the frame. The next tab will give a preview of the design. front embroidery, selecting the icon located in the lower right corner. Thanks for watching this video. We hope this helps you with your embroidery machine. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos of your CAMFive EMB machines.